Hi everybody, today I will be discussing the conservation of biodiversity on the barrier islands. For the first option, I chose to restrict development and restore the barrier islands to a resilient state rather than build structures that reduce barrier island damage from natural disasters because I feel like it is a cheaper option. And on page 121 of our textbook, it states the greatest effect humans have on biodiversity is through our ability to physically alter the habitats of other species as we pursue our own needs and desires. I feel that there is too much human activity around the barrier islands, and that is causing a disruption in its natural ecosystem and habitats and putting the endangered species in even more endangered environment. And that will cause them to be an extinct species, and we are trying to prevent that. So that's why I stuck with the first option, is to restrict development and restore the barrier islands to a resilient state. I feel that if we constrict human activity, and furthermore, it would just slow down the process of biodiversity declining as it already is. So after that, we were deciding between option A is to full fund restoration project, or B, fund a hybrid restoration project. For the full restoration project, it would require a lot more money to build systems that will maintain the biodiversity of the area. But I feel that if we do a fund between like human and natural ways to restore, that it is the best option, because on page 138 it says there is a limit to resources such as money and human effort that can be devoted to the research, protection, and recovery of biodiversity at any given time. Advocates are looking for other ways to prioritize conservation through work throughout the world. So I feel that this option will be less costly, and it also balances a good amount of natural restoration. So yeah, that is why I chose those two options, and I can't wait to hear everybody else's opinion.